It's your favorite time again. Doom scrolling the Twitteroonies. BTC moving in through the weekend, friends. Remember, blood moon, blood moon, blood moon, blood moon March 3rd. Look what's cracking out, though. We have Jim Carrey. So Jim Carrey has been replaced? 2026 is wild. Oh my gosh. So, friends, did Jim Carrey get surgery? This is really weird. He looks like another person. He actually, not like, oh, he looks like surgery. No, he actually looks like an actual another person. Friends, you got to remember as well with Jim Carrey, this is Red Pill SuperCycle stuff. Jim Carrey was starting to allude about some of the satanic stuff going on, about the removal of children, about the you-know-who's and the you-know-what, worshipping Saturn, worshipping the north side of Saturn, the planet, and the hexagon stuff. He was starting to talk about it. And friends, it's actually, people are going wild out here. Oh my gosh, what's happened? What on earth is going? Who is this? This is not Jim Carrey. The eyes aren't even the same color. Friends, this is Red Pill SuperCycle stuff. Trust me, I'm flipping out just as much as you are. I did not think that we would actually see this. They're changing the consciousness of these bodies. Or he's dead now? Jim Carrey admits on camera, I'm dead. And the internet is connecting the dots on his clone. He said, I'm dead. Oh my gosh. What? That is freaking wild. You gotta think about the ramifications of something like that as well, friends. We have as well, friends, more Red Pill SuperCycle. Here is Catherine Fitz. Our number one problem is the secret governance system. I'd call it the Rothschild network. So remember, friends, when you hear Rothschild, remember, Red Shield, they come from Khazaria. They are descendants from the Canaanites. Guess what? I'm a Canaanite. I think it was only 20,000 people or something back then. But there's nothing with the DNA or I don't know, friends. I'm seeing shadow people. And remember the word cannibal comes from Canaanite Baal. They would that's why they'd eat. They eat it to sacrifice to Baal. So I'm a canny friend, okay? Or a CanniJuice, okay? Cannibal, remember, Canaanite juice. We like orange juice. And obviously, Catherine Fitz is awesome, friends. Catherine Fitz worked for the US government, and she's like literally in the White House. And she spent like 9 months collecting where all the money went from. And she just discovered it all went to these black networks, and it was just totally corrupt, okay? Basically, they're just controlling us. Oh my gosh, more Jim Carrey stuff. He does not look or sound the same. Friends, when I see this stuff, you got to remember, there's a lot of black pillars. They go, the world's cooked, the world's cooked. No, listen, man, listen. Maybe we are in a prison system. Maybe we've got to defeat these reptilians. I'm just telling you now, I feel like it's God's plan, man. I feel like we're nerfed. We're like level 3, you know what I mean? Like, just chill out, bro. You do some quests. You defeat some soy bears. Friends, you got to smash the soy boys. For the soy girls, you leave them on scene. Read the message, don't reply. Leave them on scene. So I think that's part of the plan. I don't know. I just have a feeling like that. I just don't think, friends, these non-human entity, they're like, you know what? We have infinite power and technology. I know. Let's go waste a bunch of time by just sucking out these vibes from these humans on this ball of this blue ball. I just don't think that's realistic. Your infinite energy, friends. Like the example I use is, would the USA invade an African tribe to steal their tomato farm? No. You got plenty of tomato farms. Some say tomato. Here we have Trevor from PulseChain community. We are approaching Q2 of 2026. PulseChain's down 97%. PulseChain sacked 5 years ago. PulseX sacked 4 years ago. The launch was 1,000 days ago. It's been down only. People who entered college are now graduated. Kids born are now walking and talking. So much more. I don't need it to survive. Respect to those holding. It's clear the markets didn't go as planned. This will shift at some point. I hope so, brother. I hope so. I hope, got to remember as well, friends. That's why I just show you is like, it's not nice, but yeah, it is true, friends. ETH BTC is down like 50%, right? Ethereum is down 50% against Bitcoin. PulseChain's down like 92 to 93%. See, there's just slingshot leverage on the way down. So if Ethereum was like plus 50% against Bitcoin, that's a big, that would have to be, Ethereum is $6,700 today based off the ratio. And Ethereum and Bitcoin can't move. Bitcoin can't move. But like if Bitcoin's 100K, Ethereum's got to get to 10K. So we literally need Mr. Beast to pump the crap with Tom Lee out of Ethereum. That's what we need. So if If you get a plus 50% move, the net change of ETH BTC from that starting point of 2021, which is a long way to go. If we do get there, and I'll show you the numbers here. If we do get it, friends, so remember this is the baseline all the way up here. We're all the way down there. Okay, if we recover and we come up here, we go plus 50%. Maybe PulseChain is plus 300% above its stack price. I hope, man. I don't want to jinx it. You know, it's been powerfully, kicking you in the nuts everywhere. We've also got some friends. It's funny. Zuma, crypto Zuma. The Pentagon declares Anthropic a national security risk. Oh my gosh! So remember, we are seeing AI being deflationary, and as well, AI so powerful that if it gets compromised and hackeroonied, there ends up being ramifications for all the data and everything stolen as well. We have Crypto Kook. Can this guy chill for a day? The United States of America will never allow radical left woke company to dictate how great the military fights. So there's obviously Donald Trump coming out unhinged. We asked for President Pump. We got President Dump. Here's Crypto Coffee from PulseChain community. I updated the chart to account for crypto. Panic, capitulation, anger. Panic, capitulation, anger. Anger, depression. Yes, this is actually, friends, it's funny. That looks exactly like the others chart. It actually does look like that because we've actually been going literally nowhere for a long time. This is the actual others chart. See, it does look like that. We've literally been going nowhere for a long time. Isn't it funny? It looks exactly like that. It's very unfortunate that we have to just sit through this pain up here. Look at this. Jane Street. Crash markets and make billions. Okay? Pretty damning case and evidence presented here. So remember, Jane Street Capital, friends, has become public enemy number one for crypto industry. We know there's deep state tentacles. Just to let you know, Jane Street, market maker on Wall Street. And yes, they hired Soy Bankman-Fried. Yes, there's deep state insiders. Yes, they are all scum. But if it's a Hydra head, you get rid of them and someone else comes after that point. Oh, Anna Kasparian. Look at this. Anna Kasparian from the Young Turks. Hey, bitch, the Goyim are waking the F up. Deal with it. Ooh, from the Young Turks. Anna Kasparian coming out here. Wow, she's using Goyim. Man, that's big because she's a liberal lefty. So if the liberal lefty hippies are now using the term Goyim, it really means they've had enough with the Israel agenda on America. We'll see. Breaking. US now has 44% more home sellers than buyers, and Barney replies, boomers are sure going to regret all the reasonable bids they turned down just because they were greedy. So yeah, look, you don't want all of it to go down to zero for houses, but there is so much leverage, friends. And look, we learned from Canada, friends, the land of maple syrup. Just to let you know, you're in a country out here where houses are a Ponzi. I'll tell you what happened. In Canada, okay, they had a lot of Indian immigrants. And when the prices started going down, so they stopped immigration because the crime went too high. When the prices started going down, you would think you'd suck it up for 3, 4, 5, 6 years. And then you would think that you would still keep cranking it. And so then you would think that they would just, pop it on the chin. They didn't. What they did is they just went back to India. They went back to India and they never came back. And some people actually just started burning down the houses. So this is literally what happens experimentally in your country if everything basically starts to go to poopy town. Also, friends, check this out. We have Neil deGrasse Tyson with Piers Morgan. Here, there's actually an interview. I did listen to a bit of the interview. Neil deGrasse Tyson, anti-UFO, anti-red pill, anti-everything. He is literally going to cop it massively as we get through as well. It keeps talking about the God of the gaps, the God of the gaps, which never ends up playing out true because you literally have President Trump talking about UFOs and everything getting leaked out here. So we're going to have a lot of fun making memes about him. Here is, of course, Tim D. Draper, friends. The biggest eyebrows you've ever seen in your life. Mr. Tim D. Draper dropped the bomb. Trillions are going to flow into BTC. US dollar will no longer be accepted. It will die. I don't think so, bro. They can just literally point bazookas at you and they can do whatever they can with hiking rates, psyops. US dollar's not going away anywhere. That's why we have StableCoin SuperCycle cranking, which is the great irony of crypto. We made this alternative system and then people just want to use the US government, US dollar dooney, which is quite funny. And also, friends, we have Uncle Peter Schiff as well. Gold closing up $94 doonies, 5,200. In the sharp contrast, BTC's down 27%. So gold, the Roonies, friends, at 5,200. We'll see it's around that 61% retrace. Remember, if you are holding them, you look at the BTC to silver ratio, etc. They're all still very cheap, but it might take 4 years. Like, subscribe, catch you in the next one.